Welcome to the world of raspberry cultivation, a process that combines careful planning and agricultural expertise. It all begins with the preparation of the field, a crucial step in ensuring a successful raspberry harvest. Picture rows upon rows of future raspberry plants, each requiring support structures. Sturdy posts and wires are methodically placed across the field, ready to sustain the growing plants. Soil preparation is another key element. The right soil conditions are essential for the raspberry plants, which are sourced from specialized nurseries. These plants are carefully planted in spring, and it takes an entire year for them to mature enough to bear fruit. Equally important is the irrigation system. A network of water tubes snakes through the field, a vital component for nurturing the raspberries as they grow. The design of the raspberry field is also strategic. Rows are set 10 feet apart, a deliberate spacing that allows agricultural machinery to navigate easily while optimizing the yield. This layout is fundamental to efficient harvesting and maximizing the field's productivity. Now, let's delve into the fascinating transformation of raspberry plants. The journey from a mere bud to a succulent raspberry is a marvel of nature, assisted by human care. Initially, these plants greet the world with delicate flowers, the first sign of future fruits. But these flowers don't turn into raspberries on their own. They need the magic touch of pollinators. Bees and other insects play a critical role here, bustling from flower to flower. As pollination occurs, a remarkable change begins. The flowers start their metamorphosis, initially forming tiny, hard green berries. These little green spheres are the precursors to the raspberries we know and love. Over time, they undergo a dramatic transformation, swelling with sweetness and taking on a vibrant red hue as they ripen. Each variety of raspberry has its unique size and shade of red, adding to the diversity of this delightful fruit. As summer reaches its peak, the raspberry fields are abuzz with activity. It's harvest time, a critical and exciting phase in raspberry farming. The raspberries, now a vivid red and brimming with sweetness, signal they're ready for picking. The harvesting process is a blend of precision and efficiency, made possible by modern agricultural technology. Imagine a specialized raspberry harvester, a marvel of machinery gently rolling over the raspberry rows. This harvester is equipped with 2 sets of plastic spikes on either side. These spikes are not just any tools. They are meticulously designed to gently shake the bushes, coaxing the ripe, red raspberries to detach from their stems. It's a delicate dance where only the ripest berries, softened by their sugar content, fall off, while the green, unripe ones remain attached, awaiting their turn. As the red raspberries tumble from the plant, they're caught by the harvester and ushered onto a conveyor. Here's where human touch complements machine precision. Workers stationed at the conveyor meticulously sort through the bounty, removing any leaves, unripe berries, or debris. This ensures that only the best raspberries continue on their journey. Once sorted, the raspberries are gently placed into plastic flats, not buckets. This careful method prevents the delicate fruits from being squashed under their own weight. When the harvester reaches the end of a row, these flats, filled with freshly picked raspberries, are carefully loaded onto a truck. Time is of the essence now, as the raspberries are whisked away to the processing plant, marking the end of one journey and the beginning of another. Upon arriving at the processing plant, the raspberries embark on their final transformation. First, they're ushered into a cold room, a vast refrigerator that rapidly cools them down from the warm summer air to a temperature that locks in their freshness. This rapid cooling is crucial, as raspberries are delicate and can easily degrade if not promptly chilled. But that's just the beginning of their journey at the processing plant. Raspberries are versatile. and can be processed in various ways, each serving a different culinary purpose. Some raspberries are destined to become IQF, or individually quick frozen. This process is an intricate ballet of temperature and technology. The berries are tossed in a super cold freezer, blasted by air jets. This method ensures that each berry freezes solid, retaining all its juicy goodness without sticking to its fellows. These IQF raspberries find their way into boxes or mixed berry packs, perfect for adding a fruity touch to ice cream or blending into smoothies. Meanwhile, other raspberries are transformed into puree, a kind of raspberry sauce. In some cases, the seeds are removed, leaving a smooth, seedless puree that's packed into pails or barrels. This puree becomes a key ingredient in a variety of recipes. Think jams, cookies, bars, and pies, all bursting with raspberry flavor. But the versatility doesn't end there. Some raspberries are used to make juice, a concentrate of raspberry essence. Raspberry juice is potent and is often mixed with other juices for a balanced flavor. For example, blending it with cranberry juice creates the popular cran-raspberry blend, while mixing it with pear juice results in the delightful Whatcom Red. From the field to the freezer, from puree to juice, each raspberry's journey is a testament to the careful and innovative processes of modern agriculture. It's a journey that brings the simple joy of raspberries into our homes and onto our tables. For more fascinating insights into cutting-edge production lines and inventive approaches to harvesting and food production, make sure to check out our next video right here.